I'm sorry, I think that with all the sounds that happen, mysterious things around the world might be, I almost said, oh my, sing. Yeah, you can't singing. You can't tube and throat singing. I can't do the high pitched whistle one. That one's awesome. Tube and throat singing. Congo all are. Just for you that don't know what the fuck I'm doing right now, it's Tuvan throat singing. It's the art of using one's voice to sing two notes at the same time. I'm not an expert, of course, but it's really great, and there's a good documentary called what the fuck was it called? About Paul Pena. Genghis Blues. Watch that and you'll dig. A blind blues player that went to Mongolia or something and learned how to tube and throat sing, but it's whatever, it's two notes at once. I know it sounds or looks funny. It's hard to do, and it is early in the morning, but it is super cool. Tube and throat singing. Yes, I also do that. Sorry if I'm making those weird noises all around the world. Whatever. Get in where you're fitting. I can't keep a straight face for that. Alright, thank you. BoNeZ Justice at your face. Follow me on Twitter and everything else. Thank you. Yeah. 360-degree multimedia Godzilla. What else would I do?